Hello friends, today's word is Hertwig's epithelial root sheath. Hertwig's epithelial root sheath. Hertwig's epithelial root sheath. Hertwig's root sheath consists of the outer and inner enamel epithelium only, and therefore it does not include the stratum intermedium and stellate reticulum. It determines the number and shape of roots. Its remnants persist as an epithelial network of strands or clumps near the external surface of the root. These epithelial remnants are found in the periodontal ligament of erupted teeth and are called rests of molasses. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep learning.